Hey guys, how's it going? So time for a quick update. It's been a hell of a month so far, right? And it's gonna continue to be. You ain't seen nothing yet. So what particularly happened this month? Why has everything taken off? Well, you know, we were onboarding people pretty slow at the start. We launched the mainnet April 27th, but it was to 20 people, then 50, then 100, you know, very small numbers. This month we really cranked it up. We invited about 30,000 people that have been using the testnet over the last 8 months of testing and stuff. We invite those 30,000 people on and they've been trickling in. And you've seen what's happened to the traded volumes. You know, today, I think we're at something like $483 million worth of Bitcoin futures contracts have been traded on the DFE in the last 24 hours. I mean, that's crazy. And we don't even have the public API working yet. That's coming out launch day. So that's just manual traders in there. $500 million a day volume, and we're not even open to the public. And you know, you've seen what's happened to the token price this month too. We've all these people in, volumes increasing, a lot of interest, a lot of attention on it, and the token price has tripled too. So it's pretty much, you know, it's well established in that principle that we get more traders in, it creates more demand, there's more interest, volumes go up, token price goes up. You know, it's all looking very good. We've got this run up to the launch date coming up, you know, a week or so of activity there, a lot of content coming out. You know, Ivan on Tech's been mentioning us, you know, Cointelegraph, the biggest publication in crypto, they mentioned us on Sunday as a top 5 coin to watch. A lot of the other crypto influencers, you know, trying out the product and saying how much they love it. So it's getting real traction. You know, the Digitex Futures Exchange has got real legs, and it's looking very, very good for the launch. The actual launch day event itself is going to be a lot of traffic. I'm giving away a lot of prizes, $250,000 in prizes. I'm also going to be, you know, smashing bids, lifting offers left, right, and center, just to show really the resilience of the exchange and how liquid it is. But basically, just to shower money on everyone, because I just want a lot of people signing up that day. It's going to be very difficult not to make money on the Digitex Futures Exchange on July 31st. It's, you know, it's going to be showering down. We're going to look for a lot of signups. Liquidity is going to be crazy. The volume is going to be over $1 billion on our opening day. We're going to get a lot of attention. You know, all the influencers that are coming through. We've got Ivan on Tech coming through. We've got BitBoy. We've got Crypto Zombie. We've got a bunch of others. Some big traders coming through as well. So it's going to be a lot of fun. But we're going to get a lot of signups. It's really going to get a lot of traffic. Those crypto influencers, they've got big audiences. They're going to be sharing it with their audiences too. So it's really going to put Digitex on the map as a serious contender, as a great exchange where you can come on there and there literally is no edge working against you. You know, it's not set up as, you know, a system for extracting maximum value out of every user, you know, for the benefit of the stakeholders. It's just not that. That's not what the Digitex Futures Exchange is. I want every Digitex token that goes in there to keep swirling around that liquidity pool until it's won by someone and withdrawn. It's not being taken out in commission fees. You know, even the system gains that we're making from when people get liquidated, I give those back to the market makers to lose. So it is a different kind of exchange. There are people on there making money right now, consistent daily profits they're making, and it's just being seen, people are discovering it as a genuine thing where there is no edge working against you. That is a very powerful message, especially in these COVID times. You know, there's millions and millions of people locked away at home, nothing to do, looking for ways to make money. And this is a genuine product where you can actually make money. There's no edge against you. So, you know, you've seen what happens when we get those 30,000 traders on. What happens at the launch day event, you know, and afterwards, and, you know, all the stuff. What happens when we get another 30,000 traders? What happens when we get another 300,000 traders on there? What happens to the Digitex token price when we get 3 million traders on there? Because I think those numbers are possible. We're looking at the response that the Futures Exchange is getting from the users that go on there, and it is just wildly popular. It's just a very successful launch of a product. It surprised myself even. I knew it was like, it was decent. I like it, you know, but that combination of zero fees, you know, single click trading, it's just a genuine thing that isn't fighting against you. It's really got legs and it's really going places. I think the Digitex token is just going to blow up this year. I really do. So very exciting times. I could go on about the other stuff that we're going to do, but I'm not going to. The Digitex Futures Exchange is just going to charge forwards. The launch is going to be wildly successful. and we're all just going to go from there. The token price, the token price, that dollar we've been talking about, I think the dollar's in the bag before the end of this year. I seriously do. And then going forwards, I think it's just going to go from there. I think pretty soon you'll be wishing you could buy 10-cent tokens, seriously. But then I would say that, right? So there you go. All right, I could go on, but I'm going to leave it there. Just wanted to give you a quick update. Very exciting times, and I'll see you on the launch day event. All right, cheers, guys.